This is highly ambitious stuff, but Elon still thinks that terraforming Mars is something that will be possible. He was talking about this in 2023 on the Joe Rogan podcast and pointing out that a massive change in the Martian climate could be triggered by releasing water and CO2 that is currently frozen into the ground. We could create global warming on Mars, and here's how we do that. We nuke Mars. It sounds silly, but this is a plan that Elon Musk has advocated for many times in the past, and he does have a good point that there is really no faster or more effective way to vaporize all of those frozen greenhouse gases that are trapped in the polar regions of Mars. Water vapor and CO2 in the atmosphere would trap heat from the sun and begin to raise the surface temperature of the red planet. Most of the surface on Mars is full of ice. It's concentrated in the poles, but there's water everywhere. It's just covered in a lot of dust. And Mars is already about as radioactive as it gets. After billions of years of exposure to solar winds and cosmic radiation, you probably couldn't make it any worse just by nuking the polar regions. But that brings us to the big question,